purpose of the Accelerator is to support the growth of clean energy startups with innovative technology solutions. The Rice Alliance Clean Energy Accelerator will be a hands-on 12-week program to support startups from across the U.S. and from around the world. These startups will have access to the Rice Alliance's network of energy corporations, investors, and advisors. The startups will have the benefit of making connections with energy experts who can provide them advice and who can help them pilot their technologies. Startups will go through an intense curriculum and a programming designed to increase their likelihood of success and accelerate their path forward. This new Clean Energy Accelerator would not have been possible without the generous support from our founding sponsor, Wells Fargo. We're grateful for their vision and their desire to make a positive impact on Houston. Thank you to all of our industry and community supporters as we work together to transform the future of energy. We look forward to welcoming our first cohort at the ION after it opens in 2021.